This is the lobby elevator here at Mount Olympus. Here in Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin. Dover Impulse. Let's go to 3. Here we go. Oh God. Here at 3. 1. Basement is locked. Lantern's there. The up lantern is missing. And look what happened here. This thing broke in. You can see a little bit inside what's inside the controller. Let's get a cab view. It's a basic cab. They improved it a little. Indicator, impulse buttons, 2100 watt capacity. It is a phone. This thing runs pretty well for impulse. That door is squeaky. Dover logo's right there. This thing does not. Sometimes these elevators don't get maintained well, although they run well. But it's just that this thing is probably just a rundown impulse. Also, ThyssenKrupp just slapped their label in. This is actually a Dover Impulse. Just look at that. The up lantern is missing, which is so wonderful. There it goes. And that's it.